Press kit creation, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that is crucial for anyone looking to promote themselves or their business effectively. Press kit creation. This guide is designed to help English language learners understand what a press kit is, its importance, and how to create one step by step. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind creating an impactful press kit. A press kit, also known as a media kit, is a package of promotional materials provided to members of the media for promotional purposes. It contains information and resources that make it easier for journalists, bloggers, and influencers to write about your product, service, or company. The key is to include compelling and concise information that captures the essence of what you're promoting. In this section, we'll explore why press kits are so important. A well-crafted press kit can make a significant difference in how your brand is perceived. It can boost visibility and awareness among your target audience, provide essential information in an organized manner, help build relationships with the media and influencers, enhance your professional image. A typical press kit includes an introduction letter or a press release that highlights what's new or noteworthy about your offering, biographies of key team members, showcasing expertise and credibility, high-resolution images or videos that visually represent your product, service, or team, press coverage and testimonials, if available, to build trust and credibility, contact information for media inquiries. Creating a press kit doesn't have to be daunting. Follow these steps. 1. Gather all the necessary information and materials you want to include. 2. Design your press kit to be visually appealing and easy to navigate. 3. Customize your content for your target audience, focusing on what's most relevant to them. 4. Keep it updated with the latest information and achievements. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering the art of press kit creation. Remember, a press kit is more than just an informational packet. It's a powerful tool to showcase your brand and make a lasting impression. We hope this guide helps you create a press kit that stands out and truly represents what you have to offer. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your press kit creation journey.